Hello, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you how to clean tools for the kitchen. You will need dishwashing liquid, dishcloth, dish towels, a scrubber, or if you have stainless steel tools, you will need to use Brillo pads. While cooking and baking can be a fun experience, there is always the cleanup at the end. I'm going to show you some tips for cleaning kitchen tools so your next cooking or baking experience will be easy and fun. After you are finished using your tools, rinse them in warm water. Fill your sink with hot, soapy water using a dishwashing detergent. Place the kitchen tools in the soapy water and let soak for several minutes. Wash all the tools soaking in the soapy water. Rinse and dry with a clean, dry towel. Now place any mixing bowls or baking pans in the soapy water and wash those. Stainless steel bowls or pans hold on to stains and need an extra step in the cleaning process. Take a Brillo pad that is approved for stainless steel, wet it, and rub inside and out with the pad. Dry with a clean dish towel. And that is how to clean tools for the kitchen.